Okay, I hope I'm still filming. Yep, I'm still filming. Okay, good, good, good. Okay. I'll just do... I'll just do all kind of colors. It's better with brush, but I don't have a brush to use pretty much. So I'm just using a big brush. Get in there. My cheek is looking green. I'm just blending some of green into my cheek for some reason. Okay. Just... You can see a little different. So I'm just gonna grab some of this lipstick. Get some messy lipstick. Just get the tiniest bit ever. And my sister's saying I need Baba Coon. Because her name is Maya Lynn June Coon. So she's saying I need Baba Coon. That's why my mom called her, because she always wants boob. So she's named I need Baba Coon. I need Baba Coon. 1 second. I'll be back in a second. Or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. That took it's been taking a couple minutes. Well, not minutes, but seconds. What next? Probably lips. Yeah, I think I should do lips next. Yeah, I am going to do lips next. So first I am going with a nice shade of... What should I go for first? Oh, I think I should make designs actually. Okay, I decided to make designs instead on my hands and stuff. Okay, or my face, I'm not sure. I could do dots. I should probably just do dots. Or a little cloud. Dots, I decided. I'm gonna be a dot face girl. Or I can do freckles. Should I do freckles? Or should I do dots? I decided to do freckles instead of just little tiny dots. I'm gonna call them freckles. Well, they are dots, but I'm just gonna say they're freckles. They're just dots with makeup. Because I like freckles, so I'm doing freckles. Oh my god, that looks a mess. Let me just start fixing it. Get my powder back in shape. Let's see if this powder even works. If it even did work. So I'm gonna grab it. Looks like a little face. A mad one. mad one because I messed up it. Oh my gosh. Something scratched me. It looks really bad. I'm gonna cover this with powder because it looks the baddest I've ever saw myself. Okay. I'm just trying to cover most of it with powder. 1 second, I'll be back. Because you don't want to see me finding it, because I'm really bad at it. So yeah. Wow. Okay. If you hear me, guys, I am just covering up that black spot right now. Okay, guys, I'm coming. Hope I'm still recording. Yes, I am. Good. I better hurry. It's almost time for it to stop. Where did my freaking... Okay. Well, it's gonna stop in a couple minutes, guys. So, yeah. But I have been trying to stay on as long as I can. And I hope I can meet you one day. Because you're probably really beautiful. And boys, you're probably handsome. TikTok. I was taking a TikTok bath. Dun 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 dun. On a Saturday TikTok night. Okay. This is just a little different over here. Let me just check it. I'm gonna fix my face a little bit more by adding this, but I'm gonna go over here. On a Saturday night, I was TikTok taking a bath, and now I'm gonna do a nice shade of lip gloss. I'm doing this shade of lip gloss. I'm doing it in the mirror, by the way, so I don't screw up and stare in the camera. this is where the camera might stop, so yeah. If it does, bye. Bye, vlog. If it does stop, I'm saying bye right now. Bye, vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow if the video stops. It hasn't stopped, so now I'm gonna say bye. Bye, guys, and I will see you later.